Let's say you just finished school and need a KRA PIN. You go online and get confused. If you are in this situation, then this video is for you. So in this video, I'll show you how to register a KRA PIN with no obligation. First, go to KRA iTax portal and click New PIN Registration. On Taxpayer Type, select Individual. On Mode of Registration, select Online Form. Choose Yes on the question, do you want to register for a PIN with no obligation? Then click Next to fill in your basic information. The iTax system will want you to confirm if you want to register for a PIN with no obligation. So click OK and proceed to basic information. On citizenship, select Kenyan. Remember the sections that have a red star mark are mandatory to be filled. Don't forget to mark the KRA's data privacy statement. On the upload document section, you can upload your scanned ID in PDF format or any other supporting document. Fill in the rest of the details including your email. Type it correctly because you will receive an OTP from KRA which is supposed to be typed on the one-time password field. So make sure you type in your correct email. If you don't have an email, that's the time now you have to register an email. Answer the arithmetic question and click Submit. The iTax system will want you to confirm your email address if it's correct before you submit. That email will be your primary email address in your iTax. Click OK and your registration will be successfully submitted. Here you can now download your PIN certificate with no obligation. If this video saved you confusion, subscribe to Mediacliq because we simplify important processes like this in a simple way. And if you know someone who is struggling with KRA registration, share this video with them. It could really help. Access to the right information can change everything. See you in the next one.